Hi guys, it's Kelly, the Sunshine Crafter. I'm one of the design team members for Trinity Stamps, and in this video I'm just going to be showing a product close-up of Trinity Stamps' new released Wallflower. Okay, look at these. As you can see, I've used them quite a bit already. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 flowers. You have the leaves. You have the sentiment, I am here for you, and hello. And you have the leaves. I think I just said that. And on the coordinating die set, which is sold separately, is here. And each item in this stamp set has a coordinating die, including the sentiments. I know not all die sets have that, the stamp sets have that, but this one does. So you have the hello, I'm here for you, and the leaf and flower coordinating dies. I keep mine on a magnetic sheet right in the back of my storage pocket here. Now here's the items stamped out and the sentiment stamped out. That's what it looks like. I stamped this on 80-pound Neener Solar White. There you go. And I'm going to show you a couple die cuts here. These are ones I die cut. I made extras. As I stamp and make projects, I always cut extras because in case I need more. And if I don't use them, I keep them in the back of my storage pocket here. And this way, they are ready to go. What I love about Trinity Stamps coordinating dies is some die sets, when you look at them, sometimes they're in the middle of the gray. I don't know if I'm going to explain this properly, but Trinity Stamps has it right up against the edge, so they're really easy to line up, and therefore you get a nice cut each time. So there's that. Now I'm going to show you 2 cards I made using this stamp set. This is the first one. I did a very loose, I stamped with Catherine Pooler inks in this. And then I just stamped it on a pad, and then I loosely watercolored it. I wasn't going for perfection or, dimensional. I just wanted a loose, artsy, bohemian chic feel. I don't even know if that's right, but I think I know, you know what I'm saying. And that's what I was going for with this card. I used an embossing folder, which was stripes here. I'm not sure the name of that. I used Trinity Stamps, Something New, Pearl Baubles, yeah. And the sentiment I cut into labels is from the Sunflower Builder stamp set. So there's that card there. And then my second one is I watercolored this background inspired by the Trinity Stamps colors. You see? You can see it. And then I used each color, and then I watered it down with a light wash. So I used that as my panel, and then I just used the Wallflower stamps here and dies, and I didn't color them in. I wanted to try something a little different, a different look. I mounted it on an A2 card base with a black mat. I stamped and embossed, I'm here for you, and some Trinity Stamps boiled sugar jelly drops, which are clear droplets, and they don't have the little air bubble in them, which I don't like that. So Trinity Stamps has really nice ones, and they come in so many different sizes without the air bubble, which is fantastic. Anyway, I propped this up on foam, and there is that card. Okay, so I'm gonna sign off with that. That's it, guys. I definitely recommend you check out Trinity Stamps. And if you get a chance, go check out their blog, Instagram TV, and Trinity Stamps Facebook group for more inspiration from the design team. Have a great day and stay crafty.